Every so na yakọ ensemfufuru mekopie mu ewo St Mary's na hyebedwani edema fa womo ewo Ablekuma South eye Alfred Okwevandapoe wakasa wo kire se ye mofra no womo fa abefo kwanso a womo de esuande se digital literacy no womo tumi enhyebu kena na mo womo se ne be ya womo betumi aye ho adwuma daache.
Fie Adwoa ensianie 76 years and a St Mary's Senior High School atete adisuafo pi na emom kita dibra edimu ewo maimu na mahodo so enu nti suku yimu panifo ebodwa edidi emfie womadi etonsa edifra titu na nintim emom do omnimde ebeta adwumade nu achi kamanche yina na musini emobepie ho saa soso nimrahye bedwani de ma dehye Ablekuma South abato mpesua sonso ne hokani ebegina mu edema aniwura ewo dwumade nu ase adwumade ni mu ena Bedwani edema adehye Ablekuma South mpesua no so ne hokani edi nsembi ekọ edema adesuafo ne se mra yadru ekọ nanim ewa bodie mu nyansape enu nti omo nhwe so mo dada adesua mu no wo mbesua bi ede aka ho.
To the students, you are not just learners, you are future innovators, future policy makers, future entrepreneurs and future leaders. Equip yourselves with digital skills, master technology, lead with integrity, and never underestimate your power to shape Ghana's destiny. The best is yet to come. To the teachers and management, continue to uphold standards. Excellence must remain non-negotiable. As we celebrate 76 years of remarkable impact, let us move forward with renewed determination to build a digitally driven institution that competes not only nationally, but globally. Congratulations to St. Mary's Senior High School on this outstanding milestone. May God bless Ablekuma South constituency, and may God bless our beloved Ghana. Thank you.
Enuachi and a headmistress at the St. Mary's Senior High School. Oraye Philomena Owusuansa ede adehye koma aban ne se niema bi atosin ewo musuku nim enu nto meye wo mu emwa.
Yes aban ne se say yes St. Mary's to me across single track no. And they see kwadi be bi omoda a ebe tinya sa kwando 600. Now I find my classroom back over 14 classrooms. So available place now young person single tracker. Yes, it's nice with me up. I'm not feeling so. No science lab wow, no man can be seen and those yes, so abandoned while no matter black science at the piano so. I sit here, I can ask him. Now, unless you are attempting to be a mama tablet. Into your dad by nothing. So, Mr. Adwoa.
Sanso and a titinani edema Jumadian one also a old students. I was St. Mary's Senior High School, one also adding same say etuja.
Every dream is possible. We should strive for excellence. That is all. We should strive for excellence and look up to God, because at the end, He is the decider. But as long as you work hard, the universe will conspire and make you achieve every dream possible under the sun.
And Prempren Yadisha so agent to Yeho Ekan Sem say at the Twasso.
I'm looking forward to go overseas, learning more and more languages. I want to tell you that French language is not a big deal like you think it is. It is actually something my little sister will even speak for you right now. Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell all my friends around, all my friends and family is that they shouldn't give up. Dreams are the one that motivates us. What we want to do is more important, and we have to focus on our dreams, no matter the distraction or